Paano ba talaga gumagana ang business na ito? Ito ang madalas kong tanong dati until I finally understood how simple it really is. Think of it like a franchise. Jollibee, McDonald's, pero ang business na ito ay online. No huge capital, no inventory, no selling to friends and family. Instead, you get the proven system, step-by-step training, automated tools, and high-paying commission. Ang role mo, gumamit ng social media para mag-attract ng mga taong gusto ring mag-start, guide and mentor them using the same system. Kapag may nag-start, pipili sila ng package na kaya nila. And yes, you can earn commission base din sa package na pinili nila. Ganun lang kasimple. Stop overthinking. Baka ito na yung hinahanap mong opportunity. Curious ka? Message me and I'll guide you step by step.